Get ready to explore an amazing lineup of classic vehicles at unbeatable prices, featuring rare finds and dream projects. Is your next treasure among them? Number 1, 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu Wagon, priced at $3,000 and located in Hesperia, California. This 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu Wagon is a prime candidate for restoration or customization. Originally prepped as a drag car, it currently lacks an engine and transmission, but boasts factory air conditioning, power steering, disc brakes, and a complete interior. The wagon now features a standard hood and retains its factory roof rack, adding to its vintage charm. Whether you're a drag racing enthusiast or a classic car restorer, this vehicle offers great potential for a rewarding project. Number 2, 1969 Chevrolet C20, $2,500. Available in San Angelo, Texas for $2,500, this 1969 Chevrolet C20 serves as a great base for restoration. Though it lacks a motor and transmission, it retains its iconic classic design and comes with a clean title. Some rust and dents are present, but the truck's structure remains solid, making it ideal for enthusiasts ready to take on a rewarding project. Whether you envision it as a vintage workhorse or a fully restored classic, this C20 offers plenty of potential for customization and revival. Number 3, 1978 Ford Thunderbird Sport Coupe, $3,500. Listed for $3,500 in Cortland, Kansas, this 1978 Ford Thunderbird Sport Coupe is a classic worth considering. Under the hood is a 351 engine paired with an automatic transmission and a rebuilt carburetor, providing a strong mechanical base. The car has recently received new brakes, though it still requires some TLC to achieve its full potential. Running and driving as is, it's a great project car for enthusiasts looking to restore a piece of Ford's iconic Thunderbird legacy. Number 4, 1979 Ford F-150 Custom, $2,500. Available in Berry, Alabama for $2,500, this 1979 Ford F-150 Custom offers a strong foundation for restoration. Equipped with a 351 Windsor motor, it features new upgrades, including floor pans and ignition components. While it requires brake repairs and a carburetor adjustment to run at its best, the truck holds great potential for enthusiasts. Sold with a bill of sale, it's an ideal choice for those looking to restore or customize a classic workhorse from Ford's celebrated F-Series lineup. Number 5, 1981 Ford F-100 Ranger Explorer, $2,500. This 1981 Ford F-100 Ranger Explorer, priced at $2,500 and located in Anderson, South Carolina, offers a solid foundation for restoration or customization. With a single-owner history, the truck is powered by an inline-6 engine and has received several updates, including a new gas tank and exhaust system. While it runs well, a carburetor rebuild may enhance its performance. This vintage pickup is a great option for those looking to take on a rewarding project. Number 6, 1971 Chevrolet 1500 Short Bed, listed at $2,500 in Changalou, Louisiana. This 1971 Chevrolet 1500 Short Bed mud truck is a versatile and rugged classic. Equipped with a 350cc engine featuring performance upgrades and a 4x4 drivetrain, it's built for off-road adventure. While some rust is present, the overall structure is solid, providing a strong foundation for restoration or customization. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or seeking a fun project truck, this Chevrolet offers great potential to be transformed into a capable and distinctive vehicle. Number 7, 1984 Pontiac Grand Prix, $3,000. Available for $3,000 in Okolona, Mississippi, this 1984 Pontiac Grand Prix offers a solid foundation for restoration. With a new vinyl top and a recently rebuilt transmission, it has already undergone some key updates. However, it still requires interior work and a new carburetor to fully restore its original charm. The car's overall condition provides great potential for enthusiasts looking to invest in a classic vehicle that could be transformed into a stylish, reliable ride with a bit of effort. Number 8, 1972 Chevrolet 1500 Long Bed, 3500 keys. This 1972 Chevrolet 1500 Long Bed, listed for $3,500 and located in Schulter, Oklahoma, is an ideal project truck for restoration enthusiasts. The vehicle includes a title and keys, but it currently lacks a motor and has a blown transmission. Despite these setbacks, it offers excellent potential for customization and revival. The seller is open to trades, giving flexibility for those looking to transform this classic truck into a fully functional, restored vehicle. With some effort, it could become a reliable and distinctive addition to any classic car collection or custom build. Number 9, 1983 Chevrolet S10 Pickup, 1200. Listed at $1,200 and located in Brush, Colorado, this 1983 Chevrolet S10 Pickup is a great option for restoration or utility projects. The truck includes a camper shell, making it even more versatile for storage or outdoor adventures. With its compact size and budget-friendly price, this vehicle provides an affordable opportunity to bring a classic pickup back to life. Whether you're looking to restore its original charm or customize it for specific uses, this S10 offers a solid foundation to create a functional, dependable classic truck. Number 10, 1963 Ford F100 15, available for $1,500 in Austin, Texas. This 1963 Ford F100 showcases unique character with its original holly green paint and a factory-wrong bed. Although the engine is missing, the T98 4-speed transmission remains intact. This truck provides an excellent foundation for a Crown Vic swap or a full restoration project. With its vintage appeal and solid transmission, it offers enthusiasts the opportunity to create a customized classic, either as a showpiece or a functional workhorse. Whether you're looking to maintain its original charm or transform it into a modernized beauty, this F100 presents a versatile canvas for a variety of possibilities. Number 11, 1980 Chevrolet Blazer K5, $850. Listed at $850 in Seagraves, Texas, this 1980 Chevrolet K5 Blazer is a 4x4 project vehicle ideal for restoration or off-road builds. Although it isn't currently running, it features a complete drivetrain with a 350 engine, transmission, transfer case, differentials, and drivelines. The interior is missing, and the body requires significant repairs, particularly on the driver's rear quarter panel and rear floor, which are rusted out. Priced to move quickly, this Blazer is sold as is without a title, offering a great opportunity for classic off-road enthusiasts.